welcome to our crib. Come on in. So we're going to do a little room tour. Sorry, the doors are so big. So we're going to do a little room tour of the apartment. So this is Posh Pads in Liverpool. And we'll tell you the price afterwards.
Yeah, you will not believe how much we paid for it.
So obviously you walk in. Now, I don't know, but I'm assuming because I think a lot of stag and hen do stay here. So some of the doors are locked, so I don't know if they might be other bedrooms.
I think that's a fire.
Do you think that's a fire door? Okay, we don't know. But anyways, so you've got here, we've got one toilet, one bathroom. So, just put the toilet seat down. So you've got your bath. Toilet sink, obviously everything. I mean, how lovely is it? So nice. You've got all your towels, so you've got hand towels, you've got your double sheet towels as well, shower gel. We always bring our own shower gel, but you've got like your shower gel and everything.
But this is one of two bathrooms. One of two.
And then I think this one is probably my favourite room. So, how beautiful is this kitchen? This is a bit of me. Like, I love, anyone who knows me knows I love white pink roses, and these are just my favourite. Look at the beautiful light. You've got your little bar stools. Yeah. So obviously, like, if there was a lot of you, it's such a great, like, little party house as well.
Just in here, they've got
everything. Because we brought our own glasses just in case, but you've got like your champagne glasses. You've got so we made. I mean, obviously, it's not Yorkshire tea, but we made a cup of tea this morning, and there were some little Biscoff biscuits as well. You've got like, I mean, look, they've even thought of like egg cups. Like everything is in here, and it's absolutely pristine. You've got microwave, fridge, and you've got dishwasher, washing machine. Like literally, it's like your dishwasher.
It's just home from home, really.
Yeah, it's literally just a little home from home. And then you've even got you've got a balcony out here, a massive balcony.
And that again is one of two.
One of two. And then you've got all like kinds of little bar stools, not bar stools, benches out here. So like again, if there's a lot of you, imagine even in summer you could do like a little barbecue or something if you wanted.
I love that.
I love that. Talk. That is just a little bit of me, like eucalyptus. I know it's obviously all fake, but I just love it.
Where to now? So
we'll go living room. So this is the living room again. You've got. And we've even got, I mean, look, you've got the Radio City view here. How amazing. Yeah. And that looked so nice last night, didn't it, when it was all little.
And it looks even better upstairs, doesn't it? But look at this for a lounge.
But yeah, look at this. Again, beautiful chandelier lights, gorgeous sofa. You've got your TV, got your sound system. Again, lovely roses. I feel like there's a theme going on. Yeah. So yeah, just absolutely beautiful. You got your mirrors, just stunning. And when we came in here, I was like, Lee, where's the bedroom? Well, we are going to show you. Because this is a penthouse. So, your bedrooms are up here. So come on, follow me.
You? You've been watching MTV Cribs.
I know, I feel like I'm a celeb on MTV Cribs. So, I mean, just look at this. How beautiful.
Ready?
So you've got... And this is just literally, look, I mean, look. If this is not a photo opportunity, I don't know what is. How beautiful is this?
Great little feature, isn't it?
Such a lovely little feature. Like, there's some girls coming, if you're having a girly weekend or whatnot. It's just so lovely. And you've got a lovely little dressing table, so I did my makeup here. Bed was super comfy, wasn't it?
Yeah, well, yeah.
And then again, you've got the really lovely views out of Liverpool. And last night when we came, I think it was, it's there. You can't see it because it's not lit up, but there was a Christmas tree lit up as well, which looked really nice.
Yeah, it's literally, so...
It's like, it looks a bit transparent,
there.
Doesn't it?
And there was massive reindeer as well.
Yeah. So it looks so nice. And then again, you've got the Radio City.
We'll show it a better view on our balcony.
Definitely.
Nice lamp there.
And you've got all like your blackout, like we've not put them ones up, but you've got all your blackout blinds. So like literally no light comes in at all, does it, in the morning?
Space, it's absolutely unbelievable, isn't it?
It's crazy. But they've literally thought of everything, like everything. You've got, like I'll show you, you've got an ironing board, hairdryer, all this wardrobe space, safe. If you want a safe, so yeah.
Some hotels where you go to, you literally struggle. I hate having keys.
Iron, that's your pet hate, isn't it?
Not having an iron is, and you don't want to
mess
feel like
around, up and down.
Traipse into another room
to
iron.
Some place have. Where did we go? You had there was an ironing room.
Yeah, we were on holiday, wasn't it, on that best summer, haven't we?
Ah, yeah, and you had to go to like an ironing room.
You just want to get ready and just...
not have to mess around going down to reception.
Yeah, this is a...
And then this is the second bathroom. So this is like your little ensuite. So you've got, again, lovely sink. You had your bath sheets here. Lovely nice heated towel.
Yeah, bear in mind we're filming this just as about to
we're about to go, yeah.
So obviously we've had a shower.
Yeah, so we've had a shower and everything. But yeah, that's your shower. So nice.
Got blasters there.
Yeah, it was a really good shower as well, wasn't
great
it?
shower.
And super clean, everything was so clean. And then so then you've got another little balcony here. So let's open this door.
That's it.
It's a heavy door. And then I always get scared Lee laughs at me because whenever we go places and we go on the balcony, I get scared that we're going to get locked in. There's a bit of a wind. Is it okay? No, it's okay.
It's fine.
So then.
Great area again.
Really nice little area. Nice views.
And then
again.
well, it's Liverpool down to the docks down there.
And it's in a really good area, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's nice as well.
it's central. Obviously, if you want your drinking, if you're into that, obviously Stag and Endo stay here. It's up there.
I don't know if we were saying if it was like maybe an old warehouse. I don't know.
Yeah, possibly.
It'd be interesting to know what it actually was.
But yeah, it's you can hear bells.
Yeah, the bells are ringing.
But we were chuffed to bits with this.
Oh,
so this is one of 2 penthouses.
Oh, is it one of 2? So is the other one across the way?
Across the way.
Yeah.
I'll just shut that. But yeah.
But you've got everything as well. Parking is £15, which is standard, I think, for a hotel. Everyone does their reception. There's even a little bar downstairs and a restaurant.
I'm going to put the montage in now of the reception and then the little walk.
They've got a Christmas tree and everything. It's so cute. So they've got everything, and it's easy to find. Like when you get to the gate, because it's like all gated, it's underground, the parking. You just have to ring the hotel and they'll let you in. And like I say, easy to park up, isn't it? And then just check in. So we're super impressed.
So I'll put a video in now of everything in detail, the obviously rooms and whatnot, and then we'll see, next time you see us, we'll discuss how much we paid for
I was going to say, I'm like...
Yeah, so we'll do the montage, cue the montage with a little bit of music, 'cause I love that when I'm editing, and then we'll see you and we'll talk about the price, which is absolutely unbelievable.
Amazing, yeah.
See you soon.
Bye. Okay guys, so we hope you enjoyed the little room apartment tour. It's just so amazing. We don't want to leave, do we?
No, it's quite incredible. Like, thing is, I've stopped here before, but not in this penthouse. I stopped from Brother's Stag Do a few years back. I found it. It slept up to, I think, 6 people. I think it was. So it was like 3 bedrooms, massive. Pretty much like this, but obviously you didn't have the...
It's a bit more girly, this one, I think.
Yeah,
like,
yeah. The flowers behind me.
Yeah, and the pink
But yeah,
room.
I just thought, we'll stay again, and when we seen the price, I thought you can't resist, and I thought it's right at Deborah Street.
Right up my street, and you were right. So, drum roll. How much did we spend? How much do you all think we spent? Put in the comments what you think.
Mind it's centre of Liverpool.
Literally smack bang in the centre. So Lee, do you want to reveal what we spent?
£79.20.
Crazy. Obviously then £15 on top of it for parking, but like that's just standard in any hotel.
Yeah.
So yeah, £79.20.
You
Crazy.
compare it to like your Hiltons and what's other hotels that we
Radisson. Yeah, they're over like £100, which is still good for those, but yeah.
Space wise, you've got 3 massive rooms
It's crazy.
to chill in.
Absolutely.
I mean, we didn't use them. We
No.
didn't even sit in lounge, but
No.
it's just nice to have a bit of luxury.
But it's just nice to have a bit of luxury, like say home away from home.
Yeah, and it's spotless as well.
Literally
Absolutely
spotless. Oh, and another thing, you do have to pay a £150 deposit.
Yeah. And that just gets.
But it does get, like, obviously it will get put back straight, well, within like a few days, won't it? And I know it's one of my pet hates when we go to hotels.
Yeah, a lot of places are doing it.
Yeah, but I suppose you've got to, because I think you can probably there's probably a lot of rowdy people that come and on hen do's and stag do's, so they've got to protect themselves. So yeah, £150.
They've put a lot of money in this. Like they were saying that the room that I stayed in last time has been renovated now, so they've changed it all, and it's a different name. Yeah. So they're putting money into it, and you can see there's a lot of money with the details. Definitely. It's not cheap stuff like this. Like
the kettle, like I was looking at the kettle, it's not. Yeah. And yeah, like we say, just all totally spotless. So it definitely, I would say, it's definitely worth it.
You don't know who's coming to stay. They could wreck it and just not
exactly.
treat it, so.
Or they could nick the kettle. They could do anything.
So 150, I think.
Bargain, and you get it back. Like we'll get this back. So.
We haven't been rowdy, so we're alright.
Yeah, we've had no parties. We'll be fine. So we hope you enjoyed, and if you're ever in Liverpool, we definitely recommend Posh Pads.
100%, it's must stay.
Stay, definitely, yeah.
And like I said, parking's on literally
down below. And we're gonna go out for some brunch now, and we're just gonna leave the car here, so we've got parking till we go home. So yeah. So we will catch you. We're not gonna. Is this just gonna be one vlog, isn't it?
Yes, this is just the hotel.
Just is the hotel vlog.
Apartment review. There'll be another vlog that we're in the process of filming 2 days into one.
Yeah.
But yeah, we thought we'd have to film this because it's absolutely stunning.
It's amazing.
It's
Beautiful.
more content for us because we're getting lots out at the minute.
Yeah.
We've just finished his last Tenerife.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's 700 subscribers.
Amazing. So thank you so much, as always, for always watching our vlogs, and we hope you've enjoyed this little apartment tour.
And I'll put it in the descriptions as well.
Yeah, perfect.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye, guys.